Hey guys, Adam's on radio. Well, I've been trying to fight this damn thing. This SB200. I rebuilt everything to a square T. You know, the thing is, I think I have a bad bleeder resistor. The thing is off, and the meter's still going. Look at it. But I did everything to the square to the T. The back plate's got the right resistors, all updated, everything's updated. And I'm just gonna see if this thing blows up. I don't know what's the deal with this freaking thing. I hope the transformer ain't bad in it. That's what I'm afraid of. It's showing good voltage. If I can get this damn camera to stay. I wish I had a stand here or something. I can't deal with this anymore. This is just really getting on my nerves. That's in the way. Can't do that. Put something in front of it. Let's see. Maybe this might hold. I don't know. Alright, anyways, I'll hold this in my hand here somehow. This thing's out of the way. Okay, when I turn it on, this is the voltage I get. That's where it's got to be. Everything's lit up in there. Tubes are lit, filaments. Now I gotta see if I get any odors that come out of the thing. A friend of mine says you usually don't have to worry about it. Usually when you put parts in it, usually will smell a little bit, it burns off. But I don't know, we'll see what we got. I don't smell nothing emitting out of it now. What's the voltage? Oh yeah. You know, now I'm starting to smell it. See if that voltage goes up and down. It's gonna, I don't know. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna shut it down.
Rescue 63. Bravo response 10%. 69 Drive, Indian Harbor Beach.
Yeah, it's starting to smell right near the power supply. Yeah, and I just shut this thing down. It's not draining the capacitors. This freaking thing. Because I had one bleeder resistor go and I replaced it with the same value. It's rated for 3 watts, but I think I have a shorted cap in there or something. I don't know, but this should be down like that, you know, like that. I got this on the high voltage side right here, and I could smell it coming from the top. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just hoping the transformer ain't bad in it. But it's showing good current, high voltage. But it's smelling from the top right here. That's where the power supply section is, right here. I wonder if that resistor is starting to get hot and it's starting to burn off all the crap, or it just, if I let it go for a little longer, it might just pop. And I don't understand why. This whole thing's been all redone. It's all been rebuilt. Worked fine. Now it's just, here we are again. Anyways, comment down below and what you think. Yeah, it's got that stuff, pungent smell, like something's cooking. I don't know. That just, a friend of mine told me it could be you handle the tubes or the part you put in there. It's like a heat bleeder resistor. It's got probably oils or something on it. Maybe it's making that smell. He says never assume the smell, but I don't know, man. I'm like, I don't know. When I'm seeing this needle still holding off on some voltage. Right about here. Yeah, that bleeder resistor is no good. There's either one or two is bad, and it's not draining, as you can see. It takes about, probably about a half hour before that needle goes down. So, I don't know, guys. What the hell? You guys let me know what you think. I'm just getting so disgusted. I don't know what's going on. Ever since we had that power surge, it blew something in that power supply board, and I had to replace it with a new what you call it there, a brand new bleeder resistor, and it's rated for what it's rated for, and it shouldn't melt down, because when it blew, man, it made a hell of a noise. Everything is all new caps, all new underneath caps for underneath, all new resistors for the back plates, all everything is new, updated. Now I'm having this issue now. But anyways, you guys let me know what you think, and let me know. I'm just getting a little frustrated. Maybe my just needs a bleeder resistor. I mean, that's what's smelling. I don't know. But anyways, let me know what you think.